Hey guys, my name is Bronte and welcome to my channel. I love talking about all things home renovation, home hacks and DIY as I renovate my first house. So make sure you subscribe to my channel right now so you never miss out on another home renovation or DIY update. Today I'm going to be taking you through a progress video of our small bathroom ensuite makeover or our budget renovation. So we are doing an affordable makeover on my ensuite. I wanted to make sure this is an affordable and budget style bathroom makeover because it is such a small space in our house. If you would also like to see our laundry room budget makeover, then make sure you click the description box down below once you finish watching this video, as well as a house tour. So if you would like to see our affordable ensuite bathroom makeover and budget renovation, then let's just get straight into the video. So before, you can see really bad tiles. The paint was like an old dark cream, really dirty. There was a lot we needed to do to this bathroom just to freshen it up and make it look fresh and new. So we wanted to simplify it and make it really affordable and easy to do. It is super hot here right now and we don't have air conditioning, so this is our portable air conditioning, that we've been using. So basically, excuse the bin, it's actually filled with paper towels that I needed when I was doing the tiles. So basically what we did for the bathroom so far is we have painted the whole bathroom white because it was this cream color and it was very disgusting. And so we painted that and painted the ceiling, and then I also had to clean the tiles because they were disgusting as well. And we've also we also painted the grout of the tiles. We had to do the tile and grout cleaner, which you can see we just got this from Bunnings, and we had to spray and clean all the tiles before we did anything. The other thing I needed to do the grout in the tiles, I just got this grout paint, which I read on a few different blogs actually really works. So I got the grout paint and it has made a definite 100% difference. The tiles just look so much better now that they're actually white. So all I needed to do was paint this and remove the excess with paper towel. It was really easy to do. So I feel like that makes a big difference. Now I have to move on to the vanity and the mirror, and then we're also still going to do something, I think, with the shower, but I'll keep you updated and let you know how that goes. For the mirror, I went with this statement black arch mirror just to be a little bit different, which was only $45, and I'm going to replace the cabinet with the mirror and have cupboards underneath. Just came home and James has removed the sink slash vanity and the mirror of the ensuite. So this is a progress. And the mirror is currently in the shower. Clearly we never use this bathroom right now. So I had to find a very small cabinet for the bathroom makeover as it is a small space. It actually couldn't come out more than a couple 100 mils deep. So it was hard to find something, but I still wanted storage and it couldn't be too wide either. So it was very limited. The cabinet and sink only cost about $180 from this online eBay store that I will link below. We only had to assemble it a little bit with the legs and putting the sink on top, as well as fixing it to the wall and ensuring a space for the pipe, which James had tools for. Top of the sink that we need to install in this beautiful looking room still. Also still need to replace this. And then obviously these are not looking great, so we're just going to replace them. And then we still need to get a tap for the sink. James getting ready to install the vanity for me. So we decided to go with a brushed rose gold mixer, even though everything else in our house is black, because it was the cheapest option. We're going to try and mount the mirror with mirror mounting tape because it is waterproof, so hopefully that will work. Then we also had to get a plug for the basin because it didn't come with one. Let's have a look at it. Look at how cute that is. Oh, it's gonna look good. So as you can see, it made a little bit of mess drilling the hole for the pipe at the bottom of the cabinet, but it ended up working just fine as that's what it's designed for. And then we also used the tape on the mirror, which actually worked perfectly and was installed quite easily, even though it does look a little bit messy at the moment. James finished installing this. Obviously has the rose gold tap in, which looks really good. And then the mirror we decided to put fully down onto the bench. And then it covered a lot of the area, and plus we feel like it makes it seem a lot bigger just being totally connected, because we don't have like a splashback or anything. So I really like how that is looking. I feel like it makes it look so much bigger. Now we just need to change this. I decided to further accessorize the bathroom using the same matte black fixtures that I've used throughout the rest of the house. So we just went to Bunnings and got this toilet roll holder, as well as 2 matte black towel holders, and one was more like a towel hook that we were going to put on either side of the mirror. And obviously the toilet roll holder, we actually changed positions based on where it was previously, because the toilet roll in the previous bathroom setup was just on the wrong side, so we had to do that, and then also adhere the matte black fixtures for the towel hooks on to the walls. Okay, so bathroom update. We've got this toilet, but basically this is the 3rd toilet we've had to get from Bunnings, because none of the other ones fit. It's like a really old, weird toilet that just does not make any sense at all. So we had to make sure, and something we didn't even check, because we had a plumber come and try and install the one we got, and it was wrong. So that was great. And then we got another one that was wrong, so 3rd time's a charm. So we had to get an S-trap design, because our waste pipe for the toilet is down here. Some of them are in the wall, but ours is down here. And we had to get the set out of 140 so to 300, because it's adjustable here. Not my ideal toilet, but it had to be set out 160 away from the wall. Oh my god, I really hope this one works, because I mean, it's not really hard for me because James has to do it, but it's very painful. So guys, I'm very excited because we have cleaned the bathroom and we've got a toilet in it. I just got this toilet. We had to get 3 toilets. 3. This is the 3rd, lucky number 3. Lucky that saying worked, because I think James would pop a gasket. And then I've got this little bin holding up some toilet rolls. Again, matte black matte black to hold toilet roll. And then we've got obviously the other matte black things that you saw before as the amazing towel holders, and then the rose gold tap, which I still love. And then we also have this up here. Yay! And this, I'm so glad that it finally works. It works. Woo. So I'm so happy to say that this little DIY bathroom reno is finished, and I'm very happy about it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below of our affordable DIY bathroom renovation. I wanted to make sure this is an affordable and budget style bathroom makeover, because it is such a small space in our house. And if you would like to see an updated house tour video, because that one is a little bit old, please let me know and put that in the comments right now, saying that you would want to see a new version of the house renovation tour video. I love talking about all things home renovation, home hacks and DIY as I renovate my first house. So make sure you subscribe to my channel right now so you never miss out on another home renovation or DIY update.